Hi, my name is Wendy. I'm a product advisor with the Garam Group. In this video, I'm going to show you how ReachUC Plus, the mobility solution from the Garam Group, can make you more productive. ReachUC is an application that will run on any device. It lets you take all of the best features of your cloud PBX desk phone with you wherever you go. Here's how it works. When someone calls your desk phone, the call also rings the ReachUC app on your smartphone, so you can answer it anywhere. You can also make calls as a VoIP call over the internet, or by having the system call you back on your cell phone line. Either way, the called party sees your business line as a caller ID, so you don't have to give people your personal cell phone number. ReachUC works great even when signal strength is less than perfect, and you can choose to use either your cellular data signal or Wi-Fi. But that's not all. ReachUC has plenty of other features to let you work better. There's no complicated setup. Just log in with your cloud PBX credentials. Move a call from your desk phone to your smartphone with one click. See a searchable directory of all your contacts, along with their presence status so that you always know when they're available. Change your call handling rules to activate call screening or forward calls. Record calls and save the file right onto your smartphone. Make conference calls. Access your cloud PBX voicemail. Make video calls. Send faxes. Chat with coworkers. And send and receive text messages and pictures using your business line with Business SMS. ReachUC is also integrated with your other productivity apps. You can click and call from any web page or schedule web conferences from Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. Using ReachUC from the Garam Group is easy. To get started, just go to www.reachuc.com to download the app today.